which means it is time for Iron Crafter, where we are challenged every month to use a different item in our stash. This month, it's wood veneer. So I don't know about you, but my wood veneer is a freaking hot mess. So if you have any tips on how to organize wood veneer, please list them down below. I am in desperate need of your help. I'm in the middle of trying to reorganize everything, and I just don't even know what to do with my wood veneer. So any tips and tricks you have on how you organize it, please pass them my way, because I need the extra help. I truly, truly do. But one of the pieces of wood veneer that I am struggling to use is hexagons. Hexagons are not my favorite, so I thought it'd be cute to add them to this bee layout. Now I believe this is wildflower and honey. Let me look. Oh no, excuse me. This is Honey and Bee by Fancy Pants. And I got this in my monthly subscription to Scrap Room. So I got 3 patterns of paper. This is the back of that one. And I got a little packet of ephemera and die cuts here. So my plan is to go ahead and use this entire sheet of paper, which is perfect, and then I'll have the 2 other ones left over. It is what it is. And I want to try to use as many of these die cuts as possible, just to get them used, right? I don't need... My goal with a scrap room is to use it, not hoard it. So, that's what I'm doing. I found some inspiration on Pinterest, and it seems like people were using wood veneer to add depth and dimension to different icons. So for example, placing a whole bunch of wood veneer inside of a geotag, or inside of a heart, or inside of a circle, or whatever. I decided this time around to go ahead and add it to my and symbol. So what I did is I cut this and symbol out of my silhouette, and it will be a free cut file for you. And then I went ahead and glued my hexagons on top of my and symbol. And then I painted it all this mustard yellow. I tried to color match as best as I can, and I really think I did a pretty good job. Because if I look at this, it's a little bit more golden here than it is here. And that is absolutely okay. It does match part of the bee though. So I think I did a pretty good job. So I mixed yellow with dark brown and then added some off-white to it. I think I probably, if I really wanted to get this color, I would probably add a little bit more white, because this is just a little bit of a darker tone than that. But it works. I don't care. Whatever. And today my layout is going to be about this photo right here. They're all piled on top of me. Of course they are. They're boys, right? And I thought it would be cute to say, me and my hive. So I cut this out of my silhouette, and I'm trying a different technique. So I've got the Scrapbook.com double-sided adhesive, the 4-inch big roll. And so I went ahead and added it to the back of my cardstock to kind of make like sticker paper. This stuff is super sticky. So I'm going ahead and leave it on the transfer paper until I'm ready to adhere it on my layout. Because Lord, it's sticky. I also have a couple extra wood veneer. I originally had painted them black, but then realized that the bees are actually brown. So on the opposite side, I painted them a really dark brown, almost black. And I also used the same similar color on the bee wood veneer here as well. I added this bird to just kind of fill up some space. It looked good. It doesn't really have anything to do with my story or me and my hive. I just added it there. And because it doesn't really pertain to my story, I went ahead and just left it yellow. Not a big deal. So I'm thinking me and my hive is going to go right across the top there. That'll probably fit perfectly. And then I gotta add some stuff here. I've got plenty of die cuts I can go ahead and add. So let's see. This is actually a really pretty collection, and I feel like they did a good job on the variety of die cuts. It's not just all florals. So I thought it would be fun to go ahead and add a couple more of these. Let's see, I can probably add one right there. Let's do a bigger one. Maybe something like that. Just to bring this forward. And maybe I'll do something like this. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my pieces here on top of these. And so if I'm doing it on top of, you know what that means, I'm going to have to use some phone tape, and that's okay. Not a big deal. I think this is going to be super cute. I love adding this element of the wood veneer. Very happy with that. And I'm glad I looked on Pinterest too. Do you guys, that's where I go if I'm out of inspiration, because I totally was out of inspiration. I didn't know what I was going to do. Oh, that fits perfectly. Look at how that goes. Okay, so then this one, guess I can add it. Try and do that visual triangle, right? I don't know that I need this block, but you know, it'll be fine. I think this one looks really good. I might add, that bee is massive compared to everything else. That's all right. I really don't want to cover up those flowers. I really like how those are. Okay, so what if I just kind of tuck it under there? And remember, my me is going to be linear there. And then I've got a couple of these things. I can add a bee right in here. And then I can add a couple moths. Maybe add this on top of here, which is fine. Yeah. So I'm not going to put these on because I have a feeling they're super sticky, and if I stick them down, I won't be able to get them back up again. Oh, this would be kind of cute. Yes, that's fun. There. I think that looks good. Maybe something like that. Need another one of these down here. I don't know. So you'll see close-ups at the end of the video on what I end up deciding to do. I feel like I can't really make any final decisions until I have my title out there. And I don't want to put my title on until I got everything else adhered. So it's a catch-22. But I thought I would give you some examples on how you can use your wood veneer to fill in a shape on your layout and then make it part of your title. Don't forget to check everybody else out who is playing along with the Iron Crafter. They will be listed down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.